Ever feel like your Venmo balance is just a leaking bucket, slowly draining away without you even noticing? I used to treat Venmo like play money. If the balance was there, I spent it on coffee or takeout because it didn't feel like my real bank account. But once I realized I was losing hundreds of dollars a year to convenience and lack of tracking, I changed how I used the app. Here is exactly how I use Venmo to actually save money. 1. Disable the instant transfer trap. The biggest leak is the 1.75% fee for instant transfers. It sounds small, but if you're moving $500, you're handing Venmo nearly $9 for no reason. I switched exclusively to the standard transfer. It takes 1 to 3 business days, but those saved fees add up to a free grocery run over a few months. Plan ahead so you don't have to pay for your own money. 2. Treat the balance as a sinking fund. Instead of cashing out every time someone pays me back, I keep a specific amount in my Venmo balance to cover recurring social expenses. By keeping my dining out budget strictly in the app, I stop pulling from my main checking account. When the Venmo balance hits zero, my social spending for the month is over. It creates a physical barrier that prevents overspending. 3. Use the search bar for budgeting. At the end of the month, I don't guess what I spent, I search my own history. I type in keywords like rent, utilities, or pizza. Seeing the total sum of those microtransactions in one list was a massive wake-up call for me. It's the easiest way to audit your social life and see where you need to cut back. 4. Direct deposit for the debit card. If you use the Venmo debit card, you can set up a portion of your paycheck to go directly into the app. I use this to hide money from myself. I send $50 per paycheck to Venmo and don't touch it. It stays separate from my main bank, acting as a mini emergency fund or a dedicated travel stash that I don't see when I log into my primary banking app. 5. Turn off public transactions. This isn't just for privacy, it's for your mindset. Seeing what everyone else is buying, trips, expensive dinners, concerts, creates a fear of missing out that triggers impulse spending. I set my transactions to private. It keeps my financial business between me and the person I'm paying, removing the social pressure to keep up with my friends' spending habits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.